So listen, guys, hear me out here first, okay? God, we got trees, all over my truck. Just hear me out. Like, we're gonna wash the Dirty Max, and the reason the Dirty Max looks so muddy right now, well, we did some things. You know, we had to test out the transfer case from Kodiak Trucks, and well, we tested it out. So well, I mean, we do definitely have to wash the truck. It is kind of dirty, and then we're gonna roll that footage of how it got this dirty. So I'll just let the video explain what happened here, guys. All right.
So I learned that
welding is not your profession.
No, I'm using that cheap little $80 Harbor Freight welder. So when you first start, it doesn't have enough heat in the metal. Once you actually start,
you gotta heat it with a torch.
I don't have a torch. Like, we're just learning here.
let it sit out in the sun for a little bit.
But you can see once it actually started to get heat, it started to penetrate a lot better. And I know a bunch of you guys are gonna be critics, push or pull your weld. This is pushing or pulling the weld. That's pushing the weld. It definitely welds better pulling than it does pushing. Like, I'm out here in the wind too, so I didn't really care.
Dimes, motherfucker.
There's no dimes with a Harbor Freight welder and no gas. And so is Knives Deal.
Oh, here we fucking go.
Send it Steve or DFR. Get them while they last.
We both get 10% off, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which way you go, guys. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's just one of us gets a check and the other one doesn't. What'd you say? Vagina. Vaginas, penises? What? Doesn't affect me as it affects you.
It kills me.
We got to give, what's your name?
Josh.
We got to give Josh a little shout out here. JPM Tech. What the fuck?
It's my initials, and I didn't want
JPM Tech at YouTube.
Yeah.
Interesting. We'll give him a little shout out. He went mudding with Steve a while ago, and did you get stuck or not get stuck?
I didn't get stuck.
He didn't get stuck. He actually got through that shit. We're taking the ATV. We're going up to some road that Steve knows about.
Josh knows about it, not me.
Josh knows about it, supposedly. We're probably going to get arrested and go to jail. So if this video takes longer than a week to get out, you know where we've been. I like the rhino liner on the side.
He's making
Jeffrey!
He's
Jeffrey!
making a custom bed for this too, so you guys are definitely going to check him out.
Oh, really? Custom bed? Would you just look at that? I actually like this rhino liner, dude. It's actually really nice. We're currently following Send It Steve to do some mudding and testing out this brand new, literally brand new. I put it in yesterday. It's a Monday. I put it in on Monday. It's actually Tuesday, so this video will go up later, but it is a Tuesday. Literally the next freaking day, this Kodiak Trucks transfer case. We're gonna test it out, see what's going on, but before we do that, we have an issue that needs a tissue up here. I don't know what is going on, but somebody fucked up for sure. I'm not really sure what to do. It doesn't look good. We got hit by a train? I don't know. Interesting. That's a lot of them, dude. Oh my god. Well, we're going up some mountain now. I'm not seeing any mud holes or anything. You see any mud holes?
Nope.
I don't see any mud. Oh, there's a little bump. We have a little bump. Here we go, guys. Here's our little bump. Oh, there's our bump. A little bump. There's another bump. Look at that. We got one more bump. Oh, look, a mud hole. I found one, guys. Woohoo! Yeah. We're still in two-wheel drive. Full high. We're gonna make sure it works. Here we go, guys. Boom. And she works. And my low works too.
So check out Diablo Formula Racing. He got a new transfer case.
Woo! From Kodiak Trucks, people in Wisconsin.
Definitely check them out, Wisconsin. They definitely hooked Andy up.
Definitely. I love
so,
those guys.
Let's
I made 481,000 miles on the truck.
481.
481. Where's your 420?
Or 200 behind you. But we're 6 years newer, so we got some time. We'll catch up.
Where'd you go?
He's back there. All right, Diablo Formula Racing is up.
That transfer case is working, boys. You just gotta have the right tires, that's all. We lost Steve. We don't know where he's at. Ooh, look at this. This is okay, but it's not like, oh, hello. Hello. We got branches, boys. We got branches. I don't know where Steve's at, though. We lost Steve. Steve obviously doesn't know how to hill climb in his dually. He's still not back there, dude. Just the ATV's back there, not him.
He might be out in his pants to the pole like someone else did.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know where he is, man. I don't see him. I'm gonna hit a tree or something. Dude, oh my god. I'm in a freaking dually. What am I doing with my life? Where's he at? Well. Dude, how deep is that there?
I don't know. Like I said, I haven't been up here.
That doesn't look that deep at all, honestly. Oh, I could have went through that shit.
There's a turtle.
Oh shit, look at the turtle. Hold on, Steve. Steve, hold on. Look at the turtle. Turtle. I found a turtle.
Andy, what do you got there? If it grabs my nipple,
I found a turtle.
turtle.
It's a little turtle.
Just a little box
Give him a
turtle.
kiss.
No, thank you.
Give him a little kiss.
He's got like some shit on his lip.
Yeah,
like
it's
a
fucking
bug.
herpes. It's fine.
I think it's a bug.
It's just herpes.
Whatever he was eating last, it's in there. It's hanging out his mouth. Well, get him back out of crawl.
Yeah, I'm gonna put him over here. I think he was trying to hit for the water. I don't know. There you go, buddy. There you go. See you later. Here we go.
Oh shit! Whoopsie!
He ain't making that turn either, so he might have
Steve is sliding off the mountain right now.
Is he?
Yeah, holy shit. I look back and he's going completely sideways.
Good old tractor trailer tires doing their job.
This is not dually friendly.
Dude, this is definitely not dually friendly at all.
Oh shit, that bugger is deep.
That one's not deep. That one's not deep at all. He's got, oh shit.
He drove over it on the back wheel. Your outer wheel went up on it.
I kind of figured it would. We got Steve back there. He's taking his sweet old time catching up. But he's getting there, guys. He's getting there. Oh, we got a nice, ooh, that's a nice one there. You gonna put it out the window?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull this off.
Yeah, might as well. I mean, we're not going that fast, so. Ready? Dude, I'm gonna go, so hold on. Oh, that looks like a fun mud hole. Are you putting your camera there? Thinking about it. Dude. I'm just gonna give him the camera and let him fucking...
I don't want to drive over it.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go. You want me to push you? I can push you. So Steve's gonna pull my truck slightly over to the right because I just can't get around this freaking tree. It's too much. He's not gonna be able to get around it either. That's the sad part. I don't know how the hell he's gonna get out of here, but I can't get through that. I can get underneath that tree, that's for sure. So we're gonna hook the chain up to his front and he's gonna yank me. Definitely coming down now. This is stupid. He'll climb up that.
Don't let him break his tie rod.
Yeah, you let him break his own shit. That's a good rule of thumb right there. Oh, okay. Oh shit!
That didn't sound good.
Dude, you're gonna break your tie rod end, man. Oh, almost. Well, there we go. That should do it, dude. Alrighty guys, so the Duramax is cleaned up pretty good. We just got done washing her. For some reason it didn't wash away the rust. I'm not really sure why, but she's kind of clean again. She's not looking too bad. Transfer case is working phenomenal, by the way. As you guys seen in the video you just watched, very, very happy with Kodiak trucks. Not gonna lie, very, very happy. But she's good to go, guys. She is good to go. So there you have it, guys. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. And also, don't forget to check out Kodiak Truck. First link in the description. Go check them guys out. Give them a follow on Instagram. If you need any work done, Duramax-wise or anything-wise, truck-wise, give them guys a holler. They are definitely, obviously, the people for the job, guys. Deuces.